Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home. Okay. Now we are on the reference book there, and there is a chapter number 5. Okay, it's for the standard 4, and its subject is EVS, and it's for the chapter 5 Anitas and the honeybees. It's for the English medium too. So it's a chapter. There is a story of Anita. Okay, story of Anita. Anita is a girl. Okay, Anita is a girl which is very poor. Okay, her condition is not good. So is the girl Anita. Okay, the story of Anita and the honeybees. Okay, now we are on it. Anita is a little girl, okay, little girl, and their parents like a worker, okay. They spend whole day to work from here and there, and Anita spend her days, okay, her days to grazing of goats, okay, and she's from Muzaffarabad, and which is in Bihar, okay, which is in Bihar. So it is a state Bihar. There is this village name is the Bocha, and there is a girl. The name is Anita who spend her whole day to grazing of goats here and there, and to feed them, to feed them, and they search of food. They search of food for the goats. So she's the girl, and she's a very intelligent girl, and he wants to study. He wants to study because he liked to study. He liked to study, and so one day he is going to school, and he sit behind the students and learn which the teachers learn. So she's sitting there, and he's like, so wow, what a study, what a education. So she was going to her home and ask her parents to go to permit to go to school, but his parents refused her idea. Okay, refused her idea to go to school. Okay, girls not allowed, girls not going to school. Okay, so she tell the her story to her teachers, and she inform her parents. He informed her parents to what is the importance of our country to education. Okay, in our constitutions there is a act number 45(1). There is a rules. It is each and every students of our country has to right to education up to 1 to 8 standard. Okay, free and compulsory education. Okay, they need a free and compulsory education standard 1 to 8 standard. So because of information from this teacher, their parents get ready to send her to school. Okay, and she's not so intelligent, but she likes study most. So she goes every day to school, and she's like, but when she was increased, means she become 10 years old, then she realized, okay, if she wants study, so if she wants to study further, then they need a money. Okay, she need a money. So their parents not able to study to further. So she's realized that, okay, to work anywhere and start start the teachings to young children. Okay, and she's ready to learn younger students also. Then they make up money for the study. Okay, she is a very little girl, and but she likes the study most, so she do anything, she was doing anything. Okay, so because of her imitation. Okay, the village, the people of her village, they also help to her, and she realized, okay, she realized that she wants some more money to study. So she start a honeybees because of the study. Okay, she know the cost of his study, so she start the honeybee keeping course. Okay, so it is a course because government also provided this course. Okay, so there is a in this area where she was living. Okay, where she was living, there is a lychee plants. It's there is a lots of, okay, there is a lots of lychee plants, and lychee plant, the mostly honeybees attracts to lychee, and they start in this area. The government also get permission to start this course. Okay, and they start only the one girl. The many people so going there to complete their course, and there is only one girl. She was Anita. Okay, one girl who was complete her honeybee keeping course. Okay, and the honey is very important for anyone. Okay, honey is very costly also, so she need more money to complete her study. So because she is doing a very hard work. Okay, she bought a box up to beekeeping. She buy sugar also to put a syrup inside it. Okay, so because of this syrup, the honeybee attract on it, and and they live there, and she wants medicine also to clear this box also. Okay, this net also. So she know, and she is doing very hard work. Okay, it's a very dangerous work to anyone, and there is only one girl, Anita, who was the only one girl to complete this course. Okay, during this course the many bees bite to her. Okay, many bees bite to her, but she could not complain. Why? Because it is her own idea to complete this course. Okay, it is so, and to collect a money for the study. So she's a really good girl. Okay, and she wants a 5,000 for the 2 box. Okay, 2 box honey. So she get a 5,000, and she need a more money. She need a more money to complete his study, to college study. Okay, and she is going because of this money, she buy a bicycle also to go to college, because the college is very far from her village. So she buy a cycle from that money. Okay, and she was complete her study to that money. Okay, so it's a really true, it's a true story of Anita, and she is very daring girl. Okay, daring girl who choose this who choose this beekeeping course. Okay, and because it's a very dangerous course. Okay, but see the aim of her only to complete her study. Okay, because and to complete her study, and because this she was complete her study, and the people of their village, they know each and every things about the Anita, and this they help to Anita, and Anita inform to all parents to send their children to school. Okay, what's the importance of the study, what's the importance of the education. Okay, education it's the most important there. Okay, so it's a real story of Anita. It's over now. Okay, then we are on the exercise. Okay, there is some exercise for you. There is a true or false. Okay, there is a true or false. The number one, Anita keeps butterflies. Okay, we put a sign there, true or false. Anita keeps butterfly. It's the right or wrong. Okay, so we know the answer. Anita keeps butterflies. No, she wants a honeybees. Okay, she keeps a honeybee. Then it's the wrong answer. Okay, Anita keeps butterfly. It's the wrong, but she keeps a honeybee. Now the second, Anita's parents were against sending girls to school. Anita's parents were against sending girls to school. Anita's parents against. Okay, they were against sending girls to school. They are not ready to send Anita. Okay, it's a right or wrong. Then we know the answer. It's a right. Anita's parents were against sending girls to school. It's a right. Now the 3 number, Anita could study due to the convincing of the Sarpanch. Okay, Anita could study due to the convincing of Sarpanch. She become a Sarpanch of this village. It's a right or wrong. So we know that. Okay, Anita could study due to the convincing of Sarpanch is the wrong answer. Okay, it's the wrong answer. Then the 4 number, honeybees are attracted more to lychee flowers. Okay, we already learned honeybee. Honeybee are attracted more to lychee flower. They attract to lychee flower. Okay, it's a right or wrong. Then we know that honeybees are attracted more to lychee flower. It's a right. Then the 5 number, lychee trees flower in October. Okay, lychee trees flowers grow in October. Okay, grow in October. So it's a wrong. Okay, it's a wrong. Okay, so true or false is over. Now we are on the match. Okay, we match. Okay, what's the right? Then match A number. The 1 number is lychee. Lychee. What is the answer? Okay, lychee match with there is a lychee. Is what is the lychee? Lychee is the one type of tree. Okay, which is honeybee attract on the flower of it. Okay, lychee flower. So lychee match with E. Okay, one match with E. Lychee, it's a tree. Second, bocha. Bocha means the what is the name of it? It's Anita's village. Okay, where she was living. So Anita's village. Okay, bocha match with the Anita's village. Now the 3 number, queen ant. Okay, queen ant. Okay, there is a queen ants. Okay, just like honeybees group of there is a queen bee, and the other are workers. Just like ant also, there is a queen ant and the other are workers. So there is a queen ant. It's a match with a lace egg. The work of queen ant is a lay eggs. Okay. Now then the four number worker honeybee. There is a worker honeybee also. The worker honeybee is the make a bee hives. They make a bee hives. Okay. So our match also over. Then we revise on it. Okay. The number one, true false. Anita keeps a butterfly. No, it's a wrong. Okay. Anita keeps a honeybee. Then the second, Anita's parents were against sending girls to school. Okay. Anita's parents were against sending girls to school. It's a right or wrong? So it's a right. Okay. They were against to sending girls to school. Then the three number, Anita could study due to the convincing of the serpent. Okay, Anita could study to convincing of the serpent. It's a right or wrong? So it's a wrong. The number four, honeybee are attract more to lychee flower. Honeybee are attract to more to lychee flower. It's a right. Okay, so they attract on more to a lychee flower. Lychee trees flower grow in October. Okay, lychee trees flower grow in October. It's a wrong. Then match the lychee. Lychee, what is a lychee? It's a tree. Okay, lychee is a tree. Now the second, ocha. Okay, it's a Anita's village name. Then the three number, queen ant. It's a lay eggs. And the four number, it's a worker honeybee. It's a the make bee hives. Okay. Now our exercise is over. Okay, it's a really inspiring story of Anita. So it's a very good story. So we can learn at home this story and we can do exercise also. Okay, it's a really good story to girl which hard work to only for the study. Okay, we have all facility at home. Okay, our parents also provide many facility at home, and we could not do work like Anita. Okay, so study it's a very important for any child. Okay, and it's the in Act of 45(1) in our constitution, in our country. Okay, constitution of our countries, there is a completely free and compulsory education for the students of 1 to 8 standard. Okay, it's a compulsory for them, so we need it. Okay, and we become a very good. Okay, so now this chapter number 5, Anita's and the honeybees. Okay, we know about this story, so this is over. Okay, I hope you are like it. Thank you.